In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to transfer savings from your business account to your personal account in QuickBooks Online. If you need to move money out of your business bank account and record it properly in QuickBooks Online, this process is fairly simple once you know where to go. The key is making sure the transfer is categorized to the correct account so your books stay clean and easy to understand later on. This is especially helpful if you regularly move money for personal use, owner's draws, or savings-related transfers that need to be tracked clearly. To begin, log into QuickBooks Online and look to the upper left corner of the screen. Click the Create button, which is the plus icon used for adding new transactions. When that menu opens, find the section labeled Other, or in some versions you may see it under a Money column. From there, select Transfer. This opens the transfer form where you'll record the movement of funds between accounts. Next, go to the Transfer Funds from drop-down menu and choose your business bank account. This should be the account the money is coming out of. After that, move to the Transfer Funds to drop-down menu and select the personal or draw equity account you created in QuickBooks. This step is important because it tells QuickBooks that the money is not a business expense, but rather a transfer out to the appropriate owner-related account. Once both accounts are selected, enter the amount you transferred. Be sure to type in the exact amount so your records match your bank activity. Then enter the date the transaction actually took place. Using the correct date will help keep your reporting accurate and make reconciliation much easier later. You'll also see a memo field. This part is optional, but it's a very good habit to use it. Add a short note that helps you remember what the transfer was for, such as monthly savings transfer. Clear memos can save you time when you review transactions in the future, or if you ever need to explain the entry to your accountant or bookkeeper. After everything looks correct, click Save and Close. That records the transfer in QuickBooks Online and closes the form so you can move on. That's all it takes to transfer savings from your business account to your personal account in QuickBooks Online. As a final tip, always double-check the accounts before saving so the transfer is recorded correctly and your financial reports remain accurate.